So here at the University of Missouri, in over a little over 50-year history, we've gone through several iterations and evolved over the times in occupational therapy education. Starting off initially as a bachelor's training program, we converted to a master's program, and now recently we are now an occupational therapy doctorate program. So now, in addition to the occupational therapy doctorate, we were the second program in the nation to start offering the Bachelor's of Science in Occupational Therapy Assistant program. And we also offer a fully online post-professional occupational therapy doctorate program, which we completely designed around the needs of our consumers and people out in practice. So it's something that can be self-paced and done over several years in order for people to be able to do it while they continue to work.
The post-professional OTD program is designed for working professionals in mind. It is a degree that can be completed at your own pace, on your own time, and to your area of interest. It is a 36 credit hour degree. 6 of those courses are housed within the occupational therapy program. The student then elects to enroll in 4 other electives that are tailored to their professional goals and their area of interest.
As a student, we spend about 4 to 5 days in the classroom learning about the core concepts about occupational therapy. That includes different intervention styles, assessments, and as well as different conditions that we do treat. With the concepts that we learn in the classroom, we're able to transfer them into a weekly lab where we use the concepts and are able to put them into practice with our peers. But the best part about the program is that we're able to take everything that we learn in class and in labs and apply that to practicum. In practicum is where we see our clients and then take all the concepts that we learned throughout the courses and put them into practice to create an intervention plan for our clients that is specifically curated to their needs.
I think all of us are here, the faculty, because we liked being practitioners. That's what I did for many years. I still love practice, and I think when we come here, we bring that enthusiasm, that desire to help our students become really outstanding clinicians. It's nice to think about our work trickling out to the community, so the state, outside of the state of Missouri, and just really helping our students expand their skills. So I think we stay because we love what we do and we're passionate about what we do, and I hope that that translates to our students being passionate about becoming occupational therapists.
So I graduated from this program in 1995, and I am still teaching in the same classrooms where I was a student almost 30 years ago. Have had the opportunity then to experience things from both the student side and the faculty side. So all of the faculty in our program are engaged in either clinical practice and or research activities. So our students are not just learning from textbooks, but they're learning from what the faculty did yesterday in clinic or yesterday at the hospital or what happened this week in the research lab. So it gives the students a unique learning experience and a lot more opportunity for some of that hands-on learning when they're able to engage in some of the things that the faculty are doing as well.
I like all the experiences we get to have. It's not just classwork and you're out. We get to learn about making adaptive equipment for children with disabilities. We're able to go to Jeff City at the Capitol and advocate for occupational therapy. We've also been able to make splints and have a ton of different labs, which is really cool.
We also now participate in a multidisciplinary PhD program here in the School of Health Professions, a PhD in rehabilitation science. We have several people who are now doing research training with us as well. So here in just the last few years, we went from offering 1 master's degree program in occupational therapy to offering these 4 different degrees to help support practice and research in OT.
My research focuses on all the different ways that technology, especially low-cost and consumer technologies, can improve life for people living with different kinds of disabilities. So we turn ride-on toy cars into power mobility devices. We're a chapter of the Go Baby Go program, and part of it involves 3D printing, making new and adapted assistive devices for adults living with disabilities.
Our goal is to help reduce disability and improve health-related quality of life for individuals living in Missouri. So, for example, one of the technology-based interventions that I'm exploring is a sensor-based approach. So we have a combination of sensors that go into the individual's home. They don't have to interact with them. They're just there providing us information about their overall activity patterns. And then we have a clinical team of OT, nursing, and social work looking at their data and is able to inform the interventions that they provide to them help track when they may have had a fall, help track when they've declined a little bit in their overall performance, and then we're able to jump in and intervene and help them out, figure out what's going on, and help them get back to being able to live lives independently in their homes out in the community.
We're super excited about our OTA bachelor's level program. We're slated to be one of the first in the nation at a public institution. And so we're super excited to have that collaborative opportunity here at Mizzou to be able to collaborate within the department with the OT doctoral students as well.
We want to be at the forefront of everything we do. We were one of the first out of the gate to offer this 4-year degree for OTA education. We developed our online OTD in response to requests from people out in practice that said what they wanted to see in doctoral education, so we completely formed it around what our consumers and the people that we serve said would best support their needs. And now our PhD program, which is relatively new in the last few years, we have several trainees who are here learning how to be scientists to help support next generation of research within occupational therapy as well.